I should also mention that just because right now isn't particularly the best time ever to buy a new Tesla, it is always a great time to buy some great accessories, because that can totally kind of breathe some new life into your older Tesla and enhance even the new one you've got, really make it your own. You guys know that I'm always on the hunt to find the best Tesla accessories, and I just tested 3 new ones that I love from my friends over at TMI. Starting off with my favorite of the trio is this really cool, sleek stealth phone holder. Now, they do have an option that does let you charge the phone, but I'm finding more and more people these days, like me, aren't really looking to charge their phone as much as they're looking for an easy and clean solution to get their phone in a more usable kind of, line of sight spot to have Google Maps open, Waze, things like that. And of course, it is harnessing the power of magnets, so you can easily pop your phone on there horizontally, vertically, and be good to go. And if you're looking to stick with that same theme, high quality, sleek, simple, stealthy, they've got a really cool hidden storage compartment for the armrest area, kind of the center console area that you pop up where your arm would usually rest. And inside of here is actually a good amount of space you can use for putting in credit cards. Cash is a great thing to kind of keep safely and securely here. Uses some strong adhesive, opens and closes with magnets. It is great. And then finally, last but certainly not least, especially these days with all this talk about privacy and really the lack thereof, if you're looking to keep your Tesla private, they've got a really nice, simple camera cover that simply slides over the camera and works with every single model. And yes, with full self-driving, the modern version, you've got to have that camera on for driver's assistance, but there are also plenty of times you're in your car that you don't have full self-driving on. Maybe you're parked, maybe you're manually driving, and you would rather not have that camera on capturing every single thing. If you're looking for a simple way to get a little peace of mind, close that cover. This is great, and again, works with every single Tesla. I've also got some exclusive discount codes for this stuff down below. I'll link everything down below and some savings, but if you're looking for a great place to go for some Tesla accessories and you want to check out this trio, especially I love that phone holder, it's great, and really everything they have is great. You can check out everything at the links in the description down below, and again, use my extra special discount codes to save as well and give your Tesla a little love.